Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you read by the title, today I'm going to be telling you guys about this headband wig. This headband wig is from UNice Hair, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how to install a headband wig, but it's from UNice Hair. This is my second time working with this company. It's a really nice company. So inside of the box, this is what was inside of it, and this is what they sent me. I don't know if this comes with all the wigs or if they just sent me this little baggie, but it comes with about, I say like 6 headbands, like literally this one, which is really cute. I'm gonna be wearing it today, and then also this one, and they also sent me a pink one, but I wore it already and I don't know where I put it. So yeah, and then also the bag has their logo on it. It says UNice, and it's a really nice little bag to hold the stuff in. And it also came with these lashes, which are really cute. Like usually companies send you those little lashes those little lashes that like no one's gonna wear, but these are really cute, and I'm definitely gonna be wearing these in the future, just not today. It did come with the wig cap, and then it came with some nail wraps, and then this is the wig right here. It came in this bag. This is a 22-inch straight wig, I believe. Yeah, it's 22 inches. It's a straight wig, and it's 150% density. So it did come inside of a net like all wigs do usually, and then with paper inside of it. And then this is how the wig looks. So it is a headband wig, so it looks like this in the inside. And you definitely need a braid down, which I already have from a previous install. So what you do is you open it. I'm not gonna put on a wig cap. I'm not doing all that. I literally don't even need that. But you just put it on like this. After you let me start over. You definitely want to unstrap the back, because the back is going to be like this. It's like Velcro, so you want to unstrap that first and then put the wig on. It's really not that difficult to put this wig on. I feel like everybody can put it on however you want to put it on. Oh my gosh. But you just kind of like have to unstrap it so that it can fit to your head. Okay, so once you get it on your head and you feel like you got it in a good spot, just kind of like customize it to like how you want it to fit on your head. And then this is how the hair looks. It's very black, like it's like jet black almost. I didn't even notice that until now. Maybe it's just the lighting, but it's very black. So then you're gonna go ahead and pick your headband. So I'm gonna wear this one like I said today. And then you put the headband like over it so that it kind of like just gives it a color, but you could wear it like this if you wanted to, but this is just so that you can get yourself a little design. I'm gonna go grab a scrunchie so I can pull this up, because I feel like I'm just like trying to go around the hair. So 1 second. So okay, so I got a brush, and then I also got the scrunchies. So I'm gonna pull it out of the way. Okay, so now that I've got that out the way, I'm gonna re-snap mine, because I feel like I couldn't snap it exactly how I wanted it, how tight I wanted it, because I had the hair in the way. So I'm gonna redo that. And then I'm gonna put the headband on. Okay, so I've got the headband on, and it's in that like bun, but I'm not gonna wear it like that, of course. So this wig doesn't have like any like lace or anything, so it's not really something where you can like part it out or whatever. So you can wear it down, or you can wear it like in a ponytail, But I think I'm gonna wear it like just kind of like down, like free for all, because I don't really want to pull out any edges necessarily. I don't want to really pull out any edges. I keep getting hair in my mouth. I don't want to pull out any edges, but like there's no part on this wig, as you can see, but I've seen where like a lot of people pull out their natural edges, which you can do, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want to pull out any edges. And also I don't want to wear it in a ponytail because you're going to be able to see this part of my hair, and I also don't want to do any edges. So I'm just going to wear it down, kind of like free for all, just like a regular free part. It looks really cute. Like, I like this hair. I think it's really actually like good quality hair. And headband wigs are like really in style right now because, as you know, like North Korea stopped like the production of lace, and I think that's like why a lot of companies have been running out of lace and just stuff like that. So headband wigs have really been coming into style, and I think they're really like useful and like super easy to use and like just grab and go. So this is definitely a cute wig. I haven't even straightened it, and this is how the pattern is like without it being straightened. So it is pretty long. It comes like down here, so it's definitely true to length. It's 22 inches. It's really long, and it's really soft hair. Like, this hair is very soft. There's really no shedding at all. The hair that's in here is actually red hair. I don't know if you can see that, but it's red hair, and it's from a different wig. But I just grabbed this brush because it was the first one I saw. But yeah, so I think this is a really good wig. It will be linked below, and I think you guys should definitely get it. If I have a coupon code, it'll be on the code, or what am I saying? If I have a coupon code, it'll be on the screen, or it'll be on this. I can't talk. If I have a coupon code, it will be on the screen, or it will be in the description box below. I'm also going to be doing like a little vlog with this hair so you guys can see it throughout the day. But for now, that's going to wrap up this video for the kind of review and tutorial on how to install it. As you saw, it was very simple to put it on. It's not a lot of work. It's like very straight to the point. And I think it's like a really good grab and go. Like, this is really good for, I think, college students as well, because like, girl, you running late to class, put your headband wig on and go. Like, it literally took me all of but 5 minutes to put it on. So I definitely recommend this wig. I would definitely probably be investing in more headband wigs in the future. But that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to stay notified for the vlog I do with this hair, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.